A driveway crack that looks small but keeps widening or shows height differences may be signaling something more serious than a simple do-it-yourself patch. Measure the crack width and depth and inspect the surrounding slab for displacement and settling. A crack wider than 1.5 inches, or with a vertical offset where one side sits higher than the other, often means structural movement that typical sealants cannot fix. Check for repeated failures after previous repairs because recurring openings suggest ongoing soil movement or subgrade erosion requiring excavation and recompact methods. Probe for underlying drainage problems by observing water flow after a rain and by feeling for soft spots under the slab edge, since poor drainage can wash out supporting material and undermine repairs. When the crack runs continuously into the garage or along joints that shift with temperature, thermal expansion and contraction management or saw-cut joints and proper reinforcement may be needed. If you see diagonal cracks near load points or if the slab rotates or heals up at one end, consider core sampling or professional evaluation so the cause is diagnosed rather than masked. Keep a photographic log and simple measurements over several weeks to establish progression before spending on professional work. Common mistakes include using only surface fillers on wide or offset cracks, which leads to rapid failure. The fix is to stop patching and have a contractor evaluate subgrade and, if needed, perform controlled removal and reinstall with appropriate reinforcement. A second common issue is ignoring drainage and landscape grading, which causes recurring heave and washout. To fix that, address gutters, downspouts, and slope away from the driveway and add edge drains if necessary. A third concern is assuming cosmetic repairs are permanent when reinforcement or joint repair is required. If repairs reopen within a season, consult a concrete repair professional for options like saw cutting and installing control joints or full panel replacement. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for concrete and driveway work and lets contractors find jobs in their service area. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share project experiences, ask questions, and compare approaches so you can make better decisions before committing to a permanent repair.